was born in Umlaas, Durban, South Africa is winning. A master of soul house, rooted in African rhythm. At age 6, started learning piano and falling in love with music. What's the topic? Ngonyama, you exude energy beyond human logic. Your sad stories make us better people. Okay, I'm glad you're listening. Let me sharpen my sidekick, a free kick. Words warming up for free kicks in 3 weeks with no sleep. The king, better known as Black Cove, a black ghost, fearless and things deep. A shepherd of white sheep, a gate kid. Let me take it back from him, Tata, he face shit, some hardship. A young man with big dreams, Jengesilo, Engangezwe, he feed gleams. Indo Ngonyama, milking cows with rich creams. 11 Feb, when Mandela was released, it wasn't easy. A taxi drive, switch off the light and ran to the crowd. Intentional, people are down, I hear some cry. The driver was dumb, some other guy lost his life. Okay, asibonga itonga nomdala, uMaphumula is alive. His left arm paralyzed, the wounded warrior survived. In pain baptized, a child of divine purified. Mamu Maduna's teachings profound. Ndumfana is winning plenty of crowns. Faith and Allah is proud. Doti fake lendaba ndaba ngiyamshaya. Kuzabadlwane ngesakhe. He's innocent and kind. He's back full of awards. Am I allowed? Calling him the black bull. Inkunzi emnyama ngenka. Mengidweba isithombe esiney'nhlamvu impawu. Bathi inkala yamanzi inkawu. Ngizukhala komntwana ngisazi.